Welcome back, beautiful people. All right, in this tutorial we want to create a contact us page, but before we do that, there's one thing I just quickly want to show you. All right, let me go back to home page. Sorry, I have opened let's say for instance I want to open a about us page with Elementor because I want to work on I want to open home page with the Elementor, my own page with Elementor. All right. Sorry, my voice is cracking. All right, so this is the home page. Okay, so I don't want to start designing this again, because if you look at the um about us page of this particular website we are just trying to clone, you see that they have these on the about us page. So why would I start designing these again and again and again? So I don't need that, so I just have to copy it and paste it there. So if you want to do that, there's a way you can do it. All right, just have to right click on this section and you save the template. So by the time you save the template, just give it what name should we give to it? You can just give it main box. Sorry, I just main box. Okay, so by the time you save that, it's going to load and it's going to automatically saved in your own template. You can see I have some template that I save here, so this is how your own is going to look like, because you're having just one. All right, so now that you've saved this, you can now close it. Okay, it has been saved. You can now close it. So you come straight down to about us page, scroll down, and instead of you to create this, okay, you wouldn't create it, you will now click here. So from here you come to my template. All right, so when you get to my template, let's reload. When you get to my template, you will see the main box in there. So all you have to do is just to, you see, import template, insert. So we are not importing, we are inserting. So click on insert. Do you want to also import document the template? You said yes. So by the time you do that, you are going to have this thing in here. So you don't need to do it, create it. So this is one of the beauty of Elementor. And one thing I just want to quickly explain to you is that you can see that all our designs, like for instance, this particular background is not actually covering this entire column, this entire section rather, if you see. So we need to make sure that it covers, it is blocked, it is being boxed. So how can we now achieve that? We can achieve that by this about us page. Let's save it first. There's one thing I want to show you. You have to save it first, and I think I have to create a do consult. I have to create another tab. So let me just bring it straight down here. So here you can come to your dashboard. Okay, scroll down to pages, all pages, and by the time you scroll down to about us page, where is it? Okay, if you click on the about us page, don't click on edit with Elementor, just click on about us page. You scroll down, you'll notice that, sorry, this is home page, so we are closing this for now. Okay, because we've import what we want to import. We are working on about us because it is boxed, and we want to make sure that we are able to free it and make it look flexible. So you come to page title attribute. So this page attribute, you click it and you click on Elementor full width. Okay, so just update. So by the time you do that, that will give you this space of making this thing to be completely open, let me free. So when you click here now, let's say for instance, I want to work on this section first, edit section. I right click and edit section. So you come to layout, from box you give it full width, and from column you give it no gap, and you stretch it. You can see it has been covered. So you do the same thing for this next section too. Right click, edit section, edit, you have to edit section, come to layout, you have to come to layout. I don't know what's happening in there. Okay, all right, I think something is wrong somewhere. Okay, layout. Let's do it for this as well. No gap. Okay, let's do this for it, this as well. Okay, we have to do it for it as well. Layout, no gap. You can see we now have the entire space now. So instead of the text that is being boxed up, we are not going to be having a boxed up text again. Okay, yeah, come back to layout, give it a stretch. So all right, so this is what I just want to introduce you to now. So let's go back to our contact us. We want to design our contact us. Let's update it. So our contact us page, we do the same for it, and at the same time we want to make sure that this color changes. All right, so I think I have to close this for now, and I have to go straight down into my dashboard. Okay, you can see. So if you click on your about us page right now, let's check it out. What's happening? Click on your about us page right now. You see, we can actually make this thing to be located. This thing is too close. We can fix it. I just want to show you how to make sure that you have a full width. This particular text should be at the center. You can change it anytime. So our contact us is, there's nothing inside of it, so we have to go straight down to our dashboard and click our contact us page. Pages, all pages. Scroll down to contact us and click it first. Okay, scroll down and make sure that you have it full width. Okay, update, and don't forget here page title you leave it, but this main page you give it full width and update. Then you can now edit with Elementor. Before we do that, there's a particular plugin you need to download and make use of, and that plugin, I'm clicking on editing with Elementor. All right, and that plugin, all right, let me have it there because I want to open another tab. Do consult. Okay, so I just want it to be I just want the work to be flowing well, so that's the reason why I'm opening another tab. So you go back to dashboard right there. You know you are on a contact us page. That's what we want to start working on. Okay, so you scroll down and go to plugins, install plugins. You can click on add new if you like, but let's click on add new from there. The plugins I want to make use of is called Forminator. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Okay, let me show you from here. You can see Forminator. This is a plugin. So copy it from there and search. Okay, you can see this is the plugin. Click on install. It's a free plugin. It has a whole lot of stuff that this thing is actually doing. So let's take a break while it's installing. We'll be right back now for us to reduce the time of creating this video. All right, so it has been installed, so let's activate it. Like I said, there's even between you installing a plugin and activating a plugin. If you didn't activate the plugin, you won't see it. It will not be usable. Okay, so let's activate. We've actually activated this. By the time you activate it, scroll down there, you are going to see Formulator. Let's check it out. I don't know. Okay, it's there now. So under this Formulator, you can go to dashboard or forms. So let's click on forms. So right now what I want to do is that I just want to create a quick form for what? You can see you can create a quick form for contact form, quote, newsletter, registration, login, create posts. It's pretty awesome. So I'm creating a contact form right away and I click on continue and I call it contact form. Contact form. Okay. All right, by the time you do that, just click on create. All right, you can see right now you have first name, email, phone number, and message. If that is what you want, you can leave it that way. If you want another thing you can add by inserting field. So if you want to insert field, you can insert so more other things right there, but well, I like it that way. You can explore with this contact formulator and see how you can actually use it. Is very much better. However, this is what I just want you to understand right there in order for us to reduce the length of the video. So let's preview. Okay, this is okay, you have not saved it yet. Okay, let's publish it first. So right now, by the time you publish it, you cannot preview. So here you can copy the formulator code. You're ready to go, you copy the formulator code. Okay, all right, so we've saved it. So now what I want us to do right now is that well, let's see appearance. Okay, we now have, let's go back to dashboard. Okay, now I've copied the code right away. I've copied the code right away. We created a form. Okay, all right, the name of the form. Okay, let's go down to form. Okay, just want to show you. So it's called contact form, and I've actually published it. Okay, so what I want to do is that by the time you click on this drop down button, you will see view, submission, conversion rate. Nobody has done anything on this. Okay, so here I will still dive into some settings, but let's just plug this thing into our contact form first. So here I'll click there. So right now I just want to put short code. I'll just write short code under my under my element. So by the time I clicked it, I don't know where to actually put this thing, but let's create a section first. This section, I cannot create a short code inside the section. Short code. Okay, so right now I just drag this in and paste in there. It's going to ask me what I actually want to post here. The code I've copied from formulator is what I'm actually going to post. You can see right now this is what we have. We have the name, email, phone number, and message. Okay, so now that we've done this, we can just click on update, but we still need to go to formulator and do some things under settings. All right, so what we'll do is that, okay, let me click on the contact form, short code, on publish, view submission. Okay, nobody has actually submitted. All right, let's go and check how it's actually going to look like. Okay, before I proceed, let's okay, right now what I want to I remember what I want to do is that I just want to make sure that this color I change it from this gray to green, or probably another color. Okay, you just scroll down here, you come straight down to dashboard. Okay, scroll down to appearance. You're going to see customize. Okay, by the time you see customize, okay, it's loading. All right, okay, you now scroll down to general options. From general options you see page title. So from page title you just scroll down. The background, I just want it to be like this, and the text color, I want it to be white. And what else? Okay, this particular text color, if you want to know whether it's changing or not, click on the about us page. You can see it has been changing. And this particular color is we call it link color. I want the link color to be white, and text color here, I want it to be white. Okay, what is the link color? Just want it to be white as well. You can see everything is now white now, so you can now publish this. All right, so this is where I'm actually going to stop for now. By the time you click on contact us form, you see it will be applied to contact us as well. You can see. So but here we can still do some adjustment, but this we are going to stop for now. In the next tutorial, we're going to have probably we're going to make sure that this thing is being dropped down a bit. It's actually located at the center. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And in the next tutorial, we're going to do some adjustment on this form and see how we can do some editing and create set that form to go straight down into a particular email address. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.